What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see, we are just honestly we're doing a makeup tutorial. I did pick up 6 new shades of the Juvia's Place liquid blushes, so now this makes a total of 10 that I have. I did go ahead and swatch these in today's video for you guys, so you will definitely see. And also yeah, we're just hanging out, doing a little chit chat. It is going to be a voiceover. I did use one of the new products that I picked up during the Sephora sale, and this is the Face Hack Sculpting Bronzer. And let me just tell you guys, I mentioned in my What's in My Cart Sephora video that I wanted to pick this up. Look how little this thing is. Like, I was so upset when I got this. I do still have some stuff coming. I did pick up the new Pat McGrath bronzer that just came out. So I have some goodies coming. I do still have some stuff coming. So I don't really want to do like a Sephora haul or like a testing new makeup or anything like that. A lot of stuff is just stuff that I stocked up on, things that I love. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And without further ado, let's see how I created today's look. All right, you guys. So hope you all are doing good. I'm going to try to speed through this voiceover because the kids are, it's after school, so they're a little riled up. But anywho, for priming the lid, I did go in with the crayon case eye glue. This is just an eyeshadow base. Um, it has a very slight tint to it, but not too much. I really do like this for an eyeshadow base. I feel like it definitely helped the eyeshadows pop. But me personally, Beauty Bay has some really great quality eyeshadows. The color payoff is amazing. So this is the palette that I'm going in with today. I'm going to pretty much use the purples, the two purples, that blue, and then that more chartreuse shade on the lid. I'm not necessarily doing like a actual like cut crease. One thing about me, I am not an expert or pro when it comes to eyeshadow. I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I just love playing with colors. I love just experimenting, and I feel like, for me with makeup, it doesn't have to necessarily be a right or wrong. You know what I mean? Do whatever floats your boat. I am not, you know, I just want to say that that is what you're getting on this channel. I'm not here to be, you know, perfect cut crease queen. I can't do it. And I'm going to tell you, but I can't do it yet. We're going to get there. We're going to try. But like I said, just kind of running those purples. I'm going to kind of go over the top with that blue just to kind of blend it out a little bit. Here I was running my mouth on the phone with my husband, and sometimes I don't even know what we be talking about, y'all. We just be talking. But yeah. So I hope you guys have had a great start to your week. Let me know in the comments, like, what have you guys purchased so far during the Sephora sale? I feel like I've spent about a good, here we go with the screaming. I feel like I spent about a good like 200 and something dollars. I legit feel like everything I wanted, I already bought before the sale. So now I have nothing. Like, there are some perfumes that I want, but I personally like to buy my perfumes from Ulta because of the point system, right? Like, I just bought 2 perfumes from Ulta, I think. And then my husband also uses my phone number when he buys his cologne from Ulta. And I had like $57 that I was able to use. So I'm just like, yeah. Like, I could have told you guys obviously what perfumes I wanted. Like, I really do want that Prada. What is it called? Prada Paradox, something like that. It's a Prada perfume. I really do want that one. Okay. Um, but yeah, I really do want it, but like I said, I think I'm gonna just wait until I go to Ulta and just pick it up in store instead of ordering from Sephora. Honestly, you guys, I cannot recommend the one size, I'm sorry, not the one size, but the Too Faced setting spray enough. I mentioned a few videos back that I like to pair the Too Faced with the one size mattifying spray. And when I say I don't deal with like the transferring of my makeup or anything, and it just lasts so much longer. Now, this glowish blur jam, I know this is a lot of people's favorite. This is maybe my third time using this primer. It's not necessarily a favorite of mine. I mean, it's cool, but I don't know. What I did notice in today's video with the blur jam mixed with the foundation that I'm using, I feel like my nose area looked just a little bit too dry. It looked like some peeling. This is by the brand Freck Beauty at Sephora. Face Hack Precision Sculpting Cream Bronzer. Baby, look how small this is. This retails for $18. You only get 3.8 grams of product. So, which is like, I kind of can't be mad, but I was not expecting it to be this small. I did pick up the shade Medium Tan. It does say it is a natural finish bronzing stick that contours, sculpts, and creates dimension. And again, light coverage. Definitely light coverage. This is a no makeup type of product. Um, if I'm just using concealer instead of foundation, this product would be for that purpose. It just, it's not bad. But for the size, I'm very disappointed. I didn't even pay attention to how much you get. But anywho, now I'm going in with the Tower 28 Sculptino bronzer. This is in the shade Hammer. So I believe this is like the third shade out of the shades that they released. And personally, between the two, I do like the Tower 28 better. I like how it looks. I like the dimension and the shadow that it gave. And I just like, you know, both of them blended very easily, but I definitely just like the coverage and the pigmentation of the Tower 28 went a lot better. So that is just my personal preference, my opinion. If you were looking to get either one, all right, let's get into the Juvia's Place swatches. I have Soft Tulip, Rosy Posy, Peach Rose, Coral Rose, Lily Love, and Sweet Berries is the deepest shade, which is the purple. So I went in order from the lightest to darkest here. I did go in with the shade Soft Tulip. I wanted something just kind of light to add to the look. I didn't want to do too much since we did a colorful eyeshadow look. Um, Sometimes I'll play with colors and still do like a very bright beaming blush, even though the eyeshadow was like that. But I just wanted to keep it simple. Again, one dot and that's it. I personally, I love the fact that they are pigmented because I feel like if they weren't, that would be a complaint for everybody. But with anything, I just don't think it's realistic. Like, I am not the type of person, I just personally don't like to build up too much blush. I know a lot of people do that to see if it's buildable, how intense you can, get it to look. But I just think that these are intense with just one dot alone. So I just personally don't think these need to be built up, in my opinion. This shade is very pretty, very wearable on an everyday. I honestly really do like it. I feel like this one complements me a little bit better than the shade that I used in my first like initial review for this product. And now I'm going to go in with a concealer that's new to me. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade number 6. This is described as a medium with warm undertone concealer. It definitely has a nice, thick, creamy consistency, but I don't feel like it dried down to the point where it was not blendable. The coverage is there. I really do like it. I am definitely going to use this in another upcoming video just to kind of see. So far so good as far as like me recording this voiceover and I'm looking at myself. The under eyes still look good. I personally really do like this, and I'm glad I took the chance on picking this up because, reading some of the reviews, people, were saying how it was dry, it was patchy, it didn't hold up. It was definitely a good mixture of good and bad. But I saw this on someone's TikTok Sephora haul, so I was like, you know what, girl, just go get it. Now I'm trying out this new setting powder from the brand Metamorphosis. This is a small indie Mexican owned brand, Latina owned brand, shall I say. But it is in the shade Cake, and it is a very bright yellow setting powder. Honestly, the consistency of it is beautiful. I think this powder is like $14 if I'm not mistaken. I'll definitely leave it linked down below. It was very smoothing, but very bright. I did pick this shade up as well as the next two shades under this. So I will probably try to test out the next shade, which I believe is called Pancake, or something like that. I think it's a little bit darker than this one, so I definitely want to try that one out and see how that one looks applied under the eyes, because this is definitely brightening. If you are looking for a brightening powder, it would definitely be this one for sure. But like I said, I'll have it linked. She does have a lot of like deeper shades. So I think that's what I love about this brand. They don't just gear towards light or light medium to tan skin tones. They seriously, their blushes are so pigmented that they work well for everybody. So definitely check this brand out. Like I said, I'll have the powder in particular linked down below. Now I'm going in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks blush. You cannot tell me this blush palette is not one of a kind. So I did mix the two pink shades and the purple shade together. Look at my child head in the back, y'all. He has extremely thick curly hair, and mama don't know how to do hair, okay? So yeah, that's that on that. The blush blends amazing, no patchiness. This retails for $32. I will also have the link to this blush palette down below. Gorgeous. She also has another one, but it's more of like a natural tone blush palette. If this is not your cup of tea, I will definitely link everything down below in the description so you guys can check out these products. Definitely a hit on this. that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Personally, I think the skin looks good. I think the eyes are a good color combo. I really do love it. I love the lip. How, I don't know, the lip just looks good to me. I do like the combo. I honestly did not know that I picked up my burgundy shade lip liner, which is by One Size in the shade Cold Word. But I feel like it just looks so much better with this pinky color lipstick compared to had I used the brown. Like, I know the brown would have still looked good, but this was on accident, and I just feel like the lip combo looks very good in today's video. But I'm liking the face. Again, I'm loving the Juvia's Place blush. What I will say with this blush, especially, like, look at this shade. You literally, when you take the applicator out, you have to kind of like wipe some of it off in the inside before going onto the face. It is definitely very pigmented. So literally a little bit goes a long way. Honestly, how I feel, and I know how I am with buying makeup, but I feel like I genuinely don't need any more liquid blushes. Another liquid blush I wanted to show you guys real quick. Little sneak peek, but it was one of the things I picked up in, you know, my little Sephora haul. This, I ordered some stuff for delivery, and it's obviously going to take a long time because of the sale. And some stuff was available in my local Sephora, so I just kind of went and picked them up. This is the new, one of the new Rare Beauty liquid blushes in the shade Virtue. So I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys as well, so you can kind of see. This is so pretty. This is in the shade Virtue, and it's like a beige peach color. That is what it's described as. So I can't wait to use this one, because I feel like this would be great for like that everyday flush, you know, just a little flush of blush. So very excited, and I'm waiting. The lip oils keep coming in and out of stock, so I do still have some more shopping to do before the sale ends. But you guys stay safe, be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. I had to voice over this part because Baby Shark was taking me out. But love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.